Hello, just wanted to share with you a quick tip and trick about certification and matrix browser. So in this model, I have already loaded both my FEM file and my result file from the, again, from the post ribbon. I loaded my result file. Now I'm into certification. I already created my method. I already run my method. I can run it again if I want. I did not define design point for that case. I just relied on elements directly. So I will take the element from these three components. Okay. Select my method, any method, just for the interest, and I can hit on run method. So you see that the method has been populated. There is a table with table ID 5, and everything runs fine. So if you already know certification, you know that you can display your contour this way. So I can select my method, which is the method 3 here in the case. I can hit and play and select I'm interested in some of my parameters of the output. So here it's my output. I can apply, see my results, see my, So apply, and I can see my legend. You see here I can do it with either greater than or lower than, so you can have already a first visibility about your entities. So here's one way to review things. One thing that is not always known is that as it populated a table, if you go to the matrix, so if you don't remember how to access matrix, the better is Control F to access the loop on top, matrix. So depending on your version, it will be on post or even aerospace. And if you're in the matrix, if you go to the worksheet, you will directly see your table. And here you see your element ID, layer index. So here we have layer 1, layer 2, min and max. For each shell element, we have stress P1, stress P3, the tensile stress limit, the endurance, the reserve factor, and finally the results. And from there, either you can export to Excel, or you can visualize again, or export, for instance, into HWSK or CSV. Hope this quick tip and trick can help. See you later.